Welcome back, everyone, and today we got a bit of a treat for you. A Sony PS5, as you can see, and this is the Horizon Forbidden West bundle. It does not include a disc with it. It is a download code. And this was purchased directly from Sony the other day. They have a bit of a wait list if you sign up for it, but you get an invite and you can go directly to the website during certain times. And if you're lucky, you can purchase a console. All of the other ones were sold out, so I had to get one bundled with a game. It was probably the most expensive console on there, but at least we have one. So if you're new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We are obviously going to be tearing this apart in about a week or two so we can upgrade it as well and install a second NVMe drive. And I'll do a how-to video for that. And we'll do a few other things, but we will also be doing a comparison video between my PS4 and this PS5. And now just to show you guys how big this box is, I got the PS4 box that we did the unboxing. You can see. But I guess that doesn't really look too much bigger. But this box actually weighs, the PS5 box weighs 17 pounds. That's how big the console is. So let's get to it. Obviously, this is a very small area to be shooting in, but this is the only white background I have. But actually, let me give you guys a look at the back, just so you guys can see. This does have a built-in drive with 825 gigabytes. And that is, I believe, soldered on, so you can't remove that, but I'll check once I tear it apart for you guys. So let me see if I can turn this a little back down there so you guys can see me opening. There's actually two seals. There's a Sony seal here, clear seal here, and there it is. Now, our white backdrop could fall down, but it's okay. This is a massive box, guys. Let me show you. All right, so let's actually pull, you can actually pull the console right out. Let's actually get this off here. There we go. Let's see if you guys can see it now. There is a box right here, which will probably be the cabling and the accessories. You guys can see that. A quick start guide and everything. Safety guide. Base plate. And an HDMI cable. Interesting. So this is supposed to have HDR, 4K, 8K, etc. It's based off of AMD Zen 2 architecture, which is quite interesting. Let's take a look at the controller. This is actually something I've been... Wow, even the controller is... Look at that. This is a lot heavier than the PS4. Obviously, maybe 3 times more weight than the PS3 controller. It's actually quite cool. We'll put that back. We'll set that up in a bit. Not sure where the code is, but we'll put that code there. Power supply. Let's get that out of the way. Let's see, the console is going to be in here. This box, like I said, is absolutely massive. All right. Let's move this camera up a little bit so you guys can see it more. There we go. Forbidden West. That has the code. Scratch here for pin. If somebody wants it, just comment below because I don't think I'm going to actually play this game. And let's take a look. Let's see. Let's just see how massive this thing is. Oh, that's actually beautiful. They actually did a pretty good job wrapping it. Wow. This thing is massive. Let's take a look at your ports here. You guys can see it. Only one HDMI out, which that's kind of a... I'm a little sad about that with consoles still. They don't support multiple displays, which would be really cool, but I guess there's no games really or no game developers that have asked for it. 2 USB, LAN, always plug in by LAN. And the front will have 2 USB, power disc. Yes, this is the Blu-ray version. And this thing is massive. I wish I could actually... So, one thing I'm actually curious about is... So that's all it came with. There's nothing else in the box. So this is it. This is the PS5. So we're going to tear this apart in another week or so. We're going to plug it in now just so we can do a few comparison videos. But look at all the air ducts there to cool it off. Again, this is running on AMD Zen 2 on a custom chip. Look at that, all the air ducts right there. So this thing needs good ventilation, and if you have one or are planning on getting one, make sure to put this in a spot that it can get plenty of air, not in a spot that it's going to overheat, and make sure to clean it oftenly. You can use like an air blaster from a can, vacuum cleaner too. See the bottom of it? Alright, I know this video has been a little bit tight cropped, but it's no space anywhere. This thing is just too big. So let me know what you guys think if you have one, what you're doing with it. We are going to do a comparison video pretty soon with PS4 and PS5, probably Gran Turismo 7, Cold War Black Ops, and a few other games that are still available for PS4 and PS5. And if you have any questions or any ideas, or if you guys want to see anything in particular, let me know, comment below, and we'll make a video. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.